Do you know, guys, Apple Tradeoff? So if you wanna sell your old iPhone and you can get brand new iPhone, you wanna replace or you wanna trade off your old iPhone, for example iPhone 12 to iPhone 13. Internationally it can be available, so but here in Pakistan we can't trade off or something like that. So on Apple website you can trade off. It means you can replace your older iPhone with a newer version. So here it is, you can see this is a trade-off. This is trade-off advertisement. So you can see you can trade off your older iPhone 12 with iPhone 13. So you can see you just have to pay 655 euro. There are different options, like you can also trade off iPhone 11, 64, iPhone XR, iPhone 12. So there are different prices over there.